Dear partners, do you want to get more information of RPG Basic and about areas of usage? If it's so, stick around and I will try to explain you more. If you need to make repairs, please pay attention to Ruspanel Technologies. Today, I would like to talk to you about RPG Basic. This material consists of extruded polystyrene by the special density from 38 up to 42 kilos for 1 cubic meter, with a thickness from 6 mm up to 100 mm. And this material covered by the special fiberglass together with constructional net from one side or two sides. We need this special cover to prepare your basement for the final material. Now, can you please pay attention to how our specialists use this material in different building areas? The Ruspanel material is one of the prominent representatives of integrated solutions for the majority of improvement tasks. The combination of perfect proofing and structural properties and the ability to create rounding provides unlimited capabilities. One material can be used for the entire range of repair works, from external insulation and landscaping to the creation of interior structures beyond imagination. Ruspanel will make any premises comfortable and cozy while maintaining the finishing material under any circumstances. Ruspanel Technologies is a choice for professionals and home masters. It is light and easy to process, easy to install, and offers reliable solutions even for the very complicated tasks. Ruspanel excludes wet works, quickly ready for finishing, technologically simple installation, lightweight, reliable heat and thermal insulation, developed adjustment of the floor level of 10 up to 100 millimeters of thickness, ready to use basement for the underfloor heating system, development of the solid insulation barrier, prefabricated, changeable dimensions, easy to install, hydro and thermal insulation, also ready for finishing. Get high quality result and technologically simple works with Ruspanel Technologies. Ruspanel protects the finishing material against deformation and creates comfort under any conditions. Dear specialists, now it's time to summarize what you will get after using RPG Basic in your area. Number one, 100% of thermal insulation and waterproofing. Number two, you accept your wet works. Number three, readiness for your final material. Number four, you save money, assets, and you save your time, and also many other preferences.
Really?
Absolutely. There is no exception. Put your first order for your RPG Basic and use only modern technologies from Ruspanel.